Hi guys, merong problem dito na pinadala sa atin ni Sir Gerson Laila, and it's all about area bounded sa ating integral calculus. And let's try to solve this problem using the step-by-step process. So the problem is, what is the area bounded by the parabola x squared is equals to 8y and its latus rectum using horizontal strip. Step 1 natin. Step 1, step 1 natin is to graph. So dito sa pag-graph, meron tayong dalawang way, which is by using mode 7 sa ating scientific calculator na Casio. Ito lang, mode 7. And yung isang way naman is our knowledge about analytic geometry. And we will solve this using our knowledge sa ating analytic geometry. And ano natin gagawin is to graph. So yung parabola natin ay may vertex na 0, 0. Nasa origin. Ito yung 0, 0. And yun nga, sa nature ng parabola natin, meron siyang apat na opens upward, downward, right, or left. And since si x yung naka-squared, the parabola only opens upward and or downward. It only depends on the sign of our latus rectum. Ito yung latus rectum natin, yung 8. And since positive siya, our parabola opens upward. So ito yung parabola natin. Ngayon, katuloy nito, and its latus rectum. So, paano ba natin, or ano ba yung latus rectum? Latus rectum is yung line or segment, I think, or chord na nagpa-pass through sa ating focus. And remember, sa ating parabola, we have the formula for latus rectum. Latus rectum is equals to 4a. And then, itong A naman na to, ito yung distance ng vertex to our focus. Latus rectum natin is 8 is equals to 4a. Ngayon, yung A natin is 2. Meaning, ito yung, let's say this is 2. Yan yung focus natin or the foci. Ito yung A. A yung layo ni vertex from the focus. And we have focus. Mahanap natin yung focus sa coordinates na 0, 2 or 0, 2. Gaya nga ng sabi kanina, Latus rectum is passes through the foci, or it's perpendicular to the axis of symmetry. Then, ito yung latus rectum natin. Ngayon, next step natin is to step 2, identify natin yung identify the strip. Identify the strip. Identify natin yung strip na gagamitin. And gaya nga nung sabi kanina, ang gagamitin natin is horizontal strip. Horizontal strip. And take note, sa pag-identify ng strip, dapat yung isang end ng strip natin, it only touches or travel at one curve. And then, yung isang end nyo naman, it only touches and travels at one curve. Pero dapat iba na sa naunang curve. Dito sa graph natin, kung mapapansin natin, ito yung area bounded natin. Ito yung hanapan natin ng area. Pero, yung strip natin, ang gagamitin daw natin is horizontal. Pero, hindi siya applicable nga kasi nga it touches only the parabola. Kaya, ang better na gagawin natin dito is to yung kukunin natin na area is kalahati lang. Ito lang kukunin natin na area. Kaya yung strip ngayon natin is magiging ay ganito na lamang. Ito na lang yung strip natin. So, ito palang red na itong red na sulat, ito pala yung x squared is equals to 8y. And then, itong green naman natin na sulat ay ito yung latus rectum natin. And then ngayon, identify na natin yung strip. Ito yung strip natin. And since yung strip natin is horizontal, meaning it travels upward and downward. Kaya yung width nung strip natin is dy. Next na step natin ay yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, when we are using horizontal, meron tayong formula na area is equals to the integral of x right minus x left dy from y1 to y2. And then, kapag vertical naman, meron tayong formula na area is equals to the integral of y upper minus y lower dx naman ito from x sub 1 to x sub 2. Then, ano ba itong x right, x left, y upper, and y lower? Ito yung equation kung saan yung strip, kung ano yung equation ng strip na tinatouch or ano yung equation ng curve na tinatouch ng ends ng strip natin. Tulad dito, yung x right natin dito ay yung, yung ating parabola na may equation na x squared is equals 8y. And then, x left natin dito, since it touches the y-axis, meaning this is x is equals to 0. And then, kapag sa x-axis naman natin, y is equals to 0. And then, step 4, identify the limits. Find the limits. Mapapansin natin, yung limits natin kasi ay based sa graph, pwede na natin makita yung limits. This can be seen. Pero kung hindi natin makita yung limit natin sa graph, pwede natin i-equate si xr is equals to x left or di kaya si y upper is equals to y lower. And since yung graph natin ay or yung limits natin ay madali nating makikita nga kasi nga changes or the strip is going from upwards and downward or the y-axis. Kaya yung limits natin ngayon dito, pwede nating sabihin na yung limits or yung limit natin is from 0 to 2. Diba? Kasi nga from 0 to 2. Para ano natin, try natin kunin kung saan yung intersection nito. Kasi nga, pero yun nga, yung intersection nito is, diba, x, comma 2 rin. Ito naman dito is negative x, comma 2. Kaya yung limits na gagamitin natin is from 0 to 2. And then, by step 5, pwede natin i-solve. Step 5, solve for the area. Solve for the area. So, area ngayon natin ay integral of ano yung x right natin. So, bali ito pala yung gagamitin nating formula. X right natin is itong parabola, di ba? Bali, ito ngayon ay magiging square root of 8y. Kasi nga x, yung x right yung ano natin. Square root of 8y minus yung x left natin, which is 0. So, it touches the y-axis, x is equals to 0. 0 dy from 0 to 2. Ito kasing area na to is just the half. So, kinukuha natin area doon kanina, ito is just the half. Kaya dapat need nating mag-multiply ng 2 para makuha yung buong area. Our area now will be, by using our calculator, 2 times the integral of square root of alpha 8 alpha x from 0 to 2. Sagot natin ay 10.67 units. 10.67 units square kasi nga area. Kaya ito yung final answer natin. Yun, sana may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.